Hi everyone, Janie here. Welcome back. Look at where we are. Let me reintroduce you to Greg Gayton from Green Acres. Greg, we did a poinsettia video together a while ago. We've done multiple videos together, right?
We have so much fun.
You are one of my very best plant friends. I learned so much from you, and Greg knows everybody.
I love plants. I love plant people.
Yes.
There's nothing better.
Yes, I have to say meeting you was one of the best things because I mean, one, I have a great plant friend, but two, you've introduced me to so many wonderful people. So tell me where we are today.
Okay, we are in the fabulous 40s of East Sacramento.
Beautiful.
And we are at Nancy's house. Nancy is the Bulb Lady of East Sacramento.
Nancy is right off camera. She refuses to be on camera, Nancy. We're giving her a hard time, but
Nancy is a Cornell horticultural graduate. She worked at the Rockefeller Estates and Rockefeller Center.
Yes, she did.
She knows her plants like crazy, but her design ethic is so amazing. Look at these tulips.
Look at these.
Every year they come up and they're beautiful.
So this is Nancy's home, but she also does, or used to do, bulb planting for other neighbors and other clients around here. And Nancy, tell everyone how many bulbs Nancy used to plant every year.
It was 25,000 bulbs. And she planted it by hand. So if you drove around East Sacramento and you saw these beautiful tulips or daffodils and everything coming up, that was Nancy.
That was planted by Nancy's hands. Yeah, which is just absolutely, I'm like, did you use an auger? Did you? Nope. She dug a hole.
By hand.
She said she took a handful of bulbs, 5 bulbs, and she put them all in the hole at one time, which is just absolutely crazy. So how did you meet?
I've known Nancy for almost 40 years, maybe even more. I used to manage the Green Acres Sacramento. It used to be called Matsuda's Garden Center. And I'm that kind of manager. You can tell I'm super shy.
Yeah.
Everybody has a story. I mean, I've met people from the Boucharts.
Oh my gosh.
I've met, that's where I met Adele Ringwald, who's Molly Ringwald's mom. I met everybody. Nancy Reagan used to come and get her Christmas trees from us.
You're the one who introduced me to Linda Knowles.
Linda Knowles and
Charlotte Owendike.
Owendike, yeah.
The Rose Ladies. Yeah.
Our Zone 9B is perfect, but everybody has a story. Every one of you out there has a story.
Yes.
And it's... I've seen some of the most amazing landscapes just from people who are part-time gardeners who just like to work in their yard. And some of them, it's just amazing. You look at this. Nancy's poured her heart and soul out here, and it comes up like this every year.
This is just absolutely incredible. And Nancy was saying that it was a bad display this year, which we're like, oh yeah, this looks terrible. This looks absolutely terrible. So Nancy gets all of her bulbs wholesale from ADR.
Yeah.
Nancy, you sure you don't want to be on camera?
all the way from
Connecticut.
Holland. Oh, Connecticut.
They come through, he's a distributor, but they come from Holland.
They come from Holland,
yeah.
Tell me about these right here. What are these?
Well, that's the Gerbera, the Transvaal daisy.
Beautiful.
Aren't those beautiful? Oh. And those come up every year.
Oh, gorgeous. Oh, they're perennials.
They're perennials.
That's great. That's beautiful. And then
we've got the violas.
Gorgeous. And she has really, really beautiful foxtail ferns.
They grow like a weed for her. In fact, there's a lot of them that just seeded themselves and growing all over. But this is East Sacramento, so it's not Roseville or other area, or Davis where the soil is
real hot.
Yeah, she's really amended the soil, but the soil is pretty good. The roses are going to be coming up. We've got clivia down here that's going to be blooming. Look at the nasturtiums are going to be coming up. There's these azaleas that'll be blooming. You've got a gardenia there. You've got a pieris. So everything is giving each other a microclimate of health and beauty.
Yeah.
You can hear songbirds, you can see hummingbirds. It's a great garden that brings in all these beneficials. But look at these tulips. It's just
so beautiful. And I have to say, I did a holiday home tour in this neighborhood, and it was absolutely beautiful. And this is the neighborhood. I'm going to pan over to the street. This is the tree-lined streets in downtown Sacramento. It's called the Fab 40's, and they just have the most wonderful historic homes. Like look at Nancy's home. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's just so fun to see what the homeowners do with these gardens here, because they're not huge properties, but you can tell that they've been very, very well loved over the years. They're absolutely gorgeous.
And Nancy's one of the nicest people ever.
Yes, she's
staying there, and I'm not just saying it because you're out in the background here, Nancy. Nancy's sister's very famous.
Let's talk about Nancy's sister.
Nancy's sister is Bonnie Garmus, who wrote Lessons in Chemistry.
Yeah, one of the best books. If you haven't read it,
I haven't read it, but
you haven't read it.
It doesn't have a tree on it or a shrub or anything like that.
Oh, you're so funny. It's worth it. It is so, the dog is so, it is such a good book, and they adapted it into a series. Was it a series?
Yeah, on Apple TV, movie. I think.
Yeah, Brie Lawson. It was amazing.
Isn't that a cheese?
What?
Brie? No. Yeah. Brie Lawson. Oh, never mind. Sorry, bad jokes.
Anyway, she's coming out with another book, we just found out. October 27th. Nancy has read it and says it's absolutely incredible. So put it on your list. It's called Peck and Peck.
But it's funny. I come here every year to check out Nancy, all these beautiful tulips. And every year Nancy changes the tulips that she puts out. Unfortunately, the little ones in the back should have been taller.
These should have been the taller ones.
Yeah.
But so Nancy's unhappy because these were supposed to be tall, these were supposed to be medium, and these were supposed to be shorter, and it kind of got backwards. But that's okay. That is fine. You can't control nature. Do you know what I mean? This is Mother Nature saying you can't control me. But it still looks absolutely stunning.
There you can see the paludosum flowers in the background.
What's paludosum?
It's the little white daisies with the yellow center. And Nancy used to always come in and go, Greg, we need more paludosum daisy. Where's your paludosum daisy? I can remember that.
Oh, funny.
But the camera probably doesn't do this justice because they look so vibrant, almost translucent.
They look fake. They look perfect. It's just absolutely incredible. They're so beautiful. And so Greg, tell everyone what Nancy does to prep her tulips.
Well,
because
Nancy,
here in Zone 9.
So we have to refrigerate them.
Yeah.
And how often do you do? You get them when? About
I get them in September.
September?
I order them in April.
So she orders them in April, gets them in September, and then you refrigerate them for.
Go right in the refrigerator.
And you plan.
Which is late November.
Late November. So they're in the refrigerator over 6 weeks.
Yeah.
Minimum is 6 weeks.
So we have to.
No apples.
Oh yeah, no apple. Nancy's saying no apples, no fruit, really no vegetables either in your fridge, because of the ethylene gas that gets expelled, and it can cause the bulbs to start growing sooner than you need them to. But just like I have a bulb fridge in my garage that you all have seen, Nancy has a bulb fridge as well. All right, so Nancy has been very kind, allowing us to come see the back garden, and I have to tell you guys, it's the funniest thing. She said there's nothing to see back here, which I think is hilarious because it's absolutely beautiful.
Things are just coming up. Look at the baby tears are just start popping up.
Yeah.
Look at this jade.
Look at all these pots over here. Let's take a look at these pots that are coming over here. All these beautiful pots that she's planted. Again, it's not a huge backyard, you guys will see, but man, it's been chock full.
I love this crepe myrtle. Look at what she's done to it. She had, some people cut back and they call it crepe myrtle. This actually is well done.
That has been
really great.
Very, very well pruned. I can see.
Well, Nancy knows. She's got a degree in horticulture from Cornell University.
It's crazy.
And then you look at the aeoniums that are coming up in the pots.
Gorgeous. Look at how pretty.
But
these are.
This yard has month-to-month beauty that comes up. Yeah, interest. Like these iphigums now, these starflowers.
Yeah, tell me about these.
These are bulb. I believe they're from South Africa, but they come up every year, right, Nancy? They just come up and they just offer that beauty.
They're so pretty. And then another pot of aeoniums over here. Is this a buddleia?
This is a buddleia.
Gorgeous.
Is this white?
one of those dwarf ones, but I can't remember the name. You get them at different
Okay, okay.
Look at this yard,
And
you
then she's
guys.
got tulips that are just finishing up.
Look at this. And I have to say, the smell in this back garden is stunning. This is incredible. I thought that it was the Daphne. There's Daphne over there, but I've been told, no, it's this. Tell us about this, Greg.
It is a sweet olive, also known as Osmanthus fragrans. This fragrance, there's nothing like it.
There's nothing like it.
It's got like an apricot smell to it.
It's like eternity perfume, I think.
Eternity perfume is what Nancy says. That's what it smells like to her.
It just is amazing. Her yard is so full of life. All the birds, the pollinators that come back here. But when you walk in the backyard, you smell this. It's like a multi-dimensional yard with the different senses that wrap around you. And one of them is the fragrance that this plant emits. This was a 5-gallon shrub.
That's
so
crazy.
You can keep it as a hedge. You can train it as a Christmas tree.
Oh,
but
really?
Nancy left it the way it is.
I love it.
But
I'm going to plant that in my backyard by my bedroom window because it just smells
it smells so good. Yeah, and it blooms throughout the year too. Has a little tiny white flower to it, and people walk by and go, "Where's that smell coming from?" It's something plugged in, like a air freshener or something. But no, and this has the most cleanest, nicest fragrance there is.
Oh, it's just absolutely beautiful. And look at these tulips, you guys. Look at how beautiful
They're
this
finishing
is.
up, but they still look beautiful. And they're planted amidst Paludosum daisy.
These are the Paludosum daisy. Is there a common name for that?
Chrysanthemum paludosum.
Okay. Not really. What about this? Look at how beautiful this is.
Oh, yeah. The Iceland poppy. And look at pretty soon the clematis, when the clematis is in bloom.
Oh, my God.
Look at all the buds. Isn't that cool?
Just season after season, bloom after bloom.
And look at the forget-me-nots are popping up all over the place.
How beautiful these are. These are just so pretty. Oh, and I like she has Creeping Jenny.
Yep.
Nancy, you are so funny. She literally said to me, there's nothing to see in the back garden. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Is this euonymus?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the Gaiety Girl, or...
Oh, I love.
Yellow and it's a yellow green, but it turns pink in the winter.
Turns pink in the winter, she says. It's gorgeous. And then I was just talking to Nancy about the Alstroemeria. She's looking for some tall Alstroemeria. So I'm going to bring her the summer break Alstroemeria from Proven Winners that we absolutely, I am obsessed with and absolutely love.
And look at these hens and
Look at
chickens.
these. What are they called?
Hens and chickens.
Hens and chicks. Oh my gosh.
They just came up like crazy.
That is.
I just cut and chop those off there and put them here.
So you chop them off and replant them?
And you know who uses these? Linda Knowles along her side on her
She
LA.
does.
Yeah, and they grow really well, but they just do really well here in Zone 9B.
Oh my God, I'm going to plant them. Because what a beautiful ground cover to have, really gorgeous.
That dogwood is just getting ready to,
Right
look
here.
at the buds bloom on
Oh,
that.
you're right. Oh,
And
you're
then
right.
the red bud is in bloom now.
Look at this red bud. Look at how beautiful, you guys. Oh, it's just so beautiful. And this is another garden that's going to be gorgeous in like a month.
She's got the winter Daphne.
Yeah.
I am one of the few people who do not like the smell of Daphne.
You were saying that, Greg. How do you not like the smell of Daphne?
Daphne or gardenias.
You don't like gardenias?
No, I have to wear a mask. When I go to Matsuda's growing grounds,
my
I put on a mask. People think, wow, he has COVID. No, I just can't stand the smell
my
of
gosh,
it.
who are you?
You know what it reminds me of? Fruit Loops cereal. When I was a kid, I hated that.
Oh, you're so
And it
funny.
smells like Fruit Loops cereal
You're
to me.
so funny.
So I
You know
don't
what
like it.
smell I can't stand?
What?
Lilies.
Oh, really?
I think the lily smell is disgusting. I don't understand why people like that. But I know everybody loves it, so I know it's me.
Oh, I like marigold smell. And everybody's
like
going,
marigold
yeah.
smell.
Oh,
I
see,
think
it's
it's
just earthy. It feels good.
Yeah.
But she's got some azaleas that are popping up. And then, so in about another month, this garden is really going to pop out. You've got Sweet Box, the Sarcococa rucifolia, which has a jasmine-like fragrance to it, will grow in full shade, actually.
Oh, tell me again what the name is.
It's called Sweet Box. The botanical is Sarcococa rucifolia.
Okay.
I'm
not familiar with that one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I have to give you a tour and show you some of these old-fashioned shrubs are just bulletproof and they do really well. Look at this hydrangea.
Isn't that beautiful? So this is an oak leaf hydrangea. Nancy, what color does it bloom? White.
Someone was throwing. I was throwing it out of someone's house, and I took it.
She said somebody was throwing it out and she took it. It's a dwarf white oak leaf hydrangea. Absolutely beautiful with the boxwood all over here. Oh my goodness. I just
and
absolutely
more
love it.
clematis coming up, or clematis, or whatever how you want to call
And
it.
look what she did with the black mondo grass with the heuchera. Look how
Nancy,
good
where's
that looks.
the thing I gave you from Matsu?
Right here. Right? This
Is
thing?
that?
The ball? Greg gave Nancy this. How many years ago, Nancy?
I don't know, probably 35 years ago.
35 years ago, Greg gave Nancy this ball thing. I like that there's moss on it. That's really pretty.
Wow, it looks like my head. Maybe you put a little bit of bald now. When I gave that to you, I had hair.
Stop.
And then over here to the left, up there, is you've got your pineapple guava, the Fiola.
Oh, yeah. Oh, beautiful.
And those are great. And the fruit is delicious if you're produced fruit.
Oh.
And look at back there, you've got what, Japanese maple?
Yep.
It's just gorgeous. Oh, look at this house. Look how beautiful
and
this
then the
house
fountain
is.
just adds. So see, there's different senses that attracts you: fragrance, sound, sight.
The birds.
Some of the
It's
plants,
just
you just want to
amazing.
touch them. They feel great.
You want to know what my favorite part of this garden is?
What?
This. She has weeds growing in the cracks of her bricks.
And then pretty soon, other things will be popping up too.
Oh, really? Oh, this is my favorite part of your garden, Nancy. I love it. It's so pretty. And you didn't do that on purpose. You didn't plant them there. They just, oh my goodness. I love all the pots. It's really beautiful.
And having a glass of wine here in the evening.
That's our plan,
hearing the
right?
sound.
That's our plan. We're going to have a glass of wine and talk gardening stuff.
And
yeah.
her husband is just a wonderful woodworker. And this garage is his workspace.
Yeah. So I was talking to him earlier and I said, if I need a tool, if there's a certain tool I need, I was going to come and bug him now that I know him. So I want to say, Nancy, a huge thank you for letting me come and film.
You're welcome.
Greg, a huge thank you for introducing me to Nancy.
Nancy's the best,
and being on camera. You are fabulous on camera. Greg does talks for, all the garden clubs, all the master gardeners all around the Sacramento area. You've done so many. You're going to do a talk for the Yolo County Master Gardeners.
I need to get back to him still and make sure.
You need to get back to them.
I know. I've got like 40 some already. I've got to work on my schedule.
Yeah.
It's a little crazy. Look at this Laura
I
Peblum
know.
as I change the subject.
I
Look
know.
at how beautiful it is.
Yeah.
You know,
Jazz hand mini.
you know what? People don't realize that this is related to witch hazel. If you look at a witch hazel,
It looks like it.
the flower
yeah.
is exactly the same.
Oh, it's just so beautiful. It's really, really gorgeous. So, Greg, I'm going to be bugging you because I want you on my channel more because your brain is just chock full of gardening knowledge. It's just incredible.
Well, you know what? It's just talking to people like
Yeah.
everybody out there. It's just having a lot of fun. I'm going on 47 years.
Yeah.
As
So
a
tell
plant
me
person.
you're a nursery.
I'm a California certified nursery professional.
There you go. And so that just means that you know way more than anybody else knows about plants.
You know what? I just am a plant nerd. I learn from you. I watch your show all the time.
That's
on
the thing
YouTube.
about gardening is you always can learn something new. You learn you're always learning, and that's what's so fabulous about gardening.
And that's what's great. It's a humbling experience when people come up and go, oh, you're the tree expert or you're the shrub expert. No, that's the fun part about being a gardener is learning something new every day.
See why I love Greg? See why he's amazing? Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this garden tour as much as I did. I would love to come here during peak summer season. I bet it's amazing. We'll have wine and all that kind of stuff. And Nancy's going to come see my house. I'm going to force her to come see my house as well.
Look at that dog, isn't it? It's just the whimsical part,
I
too.
know. I just love it so much. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you all have a chance to get in your garden today.